So day 3 tayo, ma'am. Deadlift tayo, Miss Lilac. So bar, okay. Gagamitin natin. So 5 pounds yun sa'yo. Tapos lift and then drop, posterior chain. So this will serve as warm up. And then per set natin, kung kaya nating i-increase yung weight. Dagdag tayo kahit malilit na increments lang. Okay? And then yan. Paa natin, shoulder width apart. Tapos, ito yung deadlift na gagawin natin is yung kasama yung glutes. So, mas may bend. Pakita natin. So, grab natin as usual. Brush. Thumb brushing your thigh. Yan, hindi siya nakadikit. Shoulders back. Abs brace. Toes slightly point out. So, yung paa natin, width is hip to shoulder width. Okay, so inhale down, slide, slide, slide. Then up. Okay, so malapit na malapit sa katawan. Glide, glide, glide. Then lift. So profile. So inhale down. Exhale up. Okay, so yun sa'yo, ma'am, kailangan tatama siya sa floor. Kasi malaki naman yung plates mo. Alright? So yun sa akin kasi maliit. So inhale, inhale, inhale. Exhale up. So check, ma'am, ito. Kung mapapansin mo, ma'am, nakapatong lang sa legs ko. So glide hanggang sa tuhod. Glide, 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 glide. Then up. Keep your shoulders back. Abs brace. Okay, so that will be your first exercise for day 3. And then superset niya is 2 dumbbells upright row.